How's it going?
Hi, I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Um, I guess I'll introduce myself. My name is Kyla. I'm from the
Kyla.
United States, but I'm
Yeah.
currently living in Spain. Um, do you want to tell me a little bit about yourself and
Yeah.
and why you're learning English and all that stuff?
Um Hi, my name is Mai and this is Alfred Matt. Um
Hmm.
so I come from
My, nice to
yeah,
meet you. Hmm.
nice to meet you. I come from Vietnam and
Oh.
yeah, the reason why I choose learning English is uh, in my country English is a compulsory like subject
Hmm.
because like my nation knows that English is a international language that
Hmm.
everybody should know that, and we can um, talk to people all over the world by
Hmm.
English. So this is
Hmm.
a very helpful language, and that's why
Hmm.
I wanna learn this.
Ah, okay, wonderful. And do you currently work or are you in school or?
I am now a sophomore in the university.
Oh, cool, cool. What are
Yeah.
you studying?
My major is business administration because
Oh,
I wanna learn more, like work more with the people, and
mm-hmm.
I wanna be his hunter. His
Ah,
headhunter,
oh, a
headhunter.
headhunter.
Yeah,
Oh,
headhunter.
a headhunter. Oh, you'd like to be a headhunter. Interesting. What does that really mean? Can you tell me?
It's like you gonna find the people which who
Ah,
is suitable for the job, and then
ah,
you
is a
yeah.
finds who finds the right person for a job. Okay. A
Yeah,
headhunter is a person who goes out and finds the right person to fill a position.
yeah,
Interesting.
yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For
So,
different, you want to be a headhunter for like a specific company?
maybe like I haven't had clear futures.
Yeah. Of
So
course
what is
not. It's okay. You don't need to. You don't need to. I was just asking, like, I think they have headhunters um, for different like companies, right? Like, or is it like just you can be like a contract and work for yourself, maybe?
yeah. Um, Actually, when I was in high school, I haven't thought that I'm gonna choose this major,
Right.
but I don't know why. I don't know why. When like I intend to my final
Hmm.
exam for the university, I
Uh-huh.
feel like um, I am a big fan of this major. I don't know why. I just like
Interesting.
it.
Of
Yeah.
business. Okay. When I attended my final exam, I decided to study business, basically, is what you can say. Yeah. It came
Yeah.
to you. Interesting. Would you like to do this lesson, or what would you like to do? Or would you just like to speak?
Um. Yeah, because this is effort met, so I want things to happen naturally. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So I
Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. That's totally fine. And so where are you from in Vietnam? What city? What area?
I'm now living in Ho Chi Minh City
Okay.
for my studying,
Mm-hmm.
and the atmosphere here is really busy. People is
Mm-hmm.
always busy, and I enjoy it. Like
Yeah.
my hometown is not um is not as busy as Ho Chi
Mm-hmm.
Minh City.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
yeah, and I hope that in the future I'm gonna live and work here.
Ah, you would like to live and work in Ho Chi Minh City. Interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, so,
Yeah. So you're like a big city person. Did you come from a smaller town or
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
My
And your
hometown
parents
is
still live there?
Yeah, my parents still live in town,
My
and
parents still live there, you could say. And then do you go and visit them and then come back to Ho Chi Minh City, or
yeah,
how often do you visit? Yeah.
every time I have my free time, like after I finish my exam, we gonna
Mm-hmm.
have a vacation, and
Mm-hmm.
that's time I'm gonna like visit my parents for
Oh.
about 1 week or more, and then
Oh,
I
so you visit them, you usually visit for 1 week.
yeah.
Ah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah. And do you have work now, or are you just going to school?
Yeah, I'm just go to school because
Mm-hmm.
firstly because this pandemic is hard for me to find a job.
Ah,
Yeah, I find a job, and I intend to buy a online job, because I want to have experiment for experience about my major, and it's good for my CV in the futures.
uh-huh.
Yeah, and it's like
Yeah, yeah,
it
yeah. So
helped me
it
have
cut a little
more.
bit.
Yeah,
Oh,
fight fight.
sorry. It cut a little bit. Can you tell me what's good for your CV? It cut a little bit.
Okay. Um, I mean, if I have a job now,
Mm-hmm.
like if
Mm-hmm.
I have a job while I still studying, um,
Uh-huh.
so I have more experience about my major about business. So I
Right.
think it's gonna help for my CV in the future.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Right. And are you part of any like groups on the university campus that are good, like either volunteering or something with business, like business groups or anything like that?
Yeah. Actually, I'm having a plan for, uh, like volunteer in April.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Nice. Where?
is in Ho Chi Minh City too, and it's
Hmm.
about um running marathon. Like
Oh, so you're going to volunteer. You're going to run. Are you going to run the marathon, or are you volunteering with
yeah,
an organization
I'm
that
just
that
volunteering.
Oh, so you're going to
Yeah,
volunteer with an organization to plan a marathon,
yeah,
basically. Oh,
yeah,
super fun. And is this like a charity um, run, like a charity marathon? The money goes towards something good.
yeah. The money goes to, yeah. Is
Yeah, right?
yeah. So
Let me
what
see.
is your
Let me see. Charity. Um, Vietnamese. There we go. Yeah.
yeah,
Is
yeah,
like
yeah.
this?
That's
Yeah, yeah,
right.
yeah. Okay, cool. I did a lot of event planning when I was in college, and I did a lot of that. I didn't do any marathons, but I did how do you say auctions, auctions, and other things
Oh,
like that. I planned events like that for an organization called Habitat for Humanity. Do you know this organization?
no, I have
No.
no idea.
Okay, it's a very, very old and popular it's organization. I think it comes from the United States, but it's all over the world. I'm
Oh,
sure they have something in Vietnam um, because they build houses for people. That's what they do.
oh,
And
that's cool.
yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, okay, interesting. So basically, you're going to do that. That'll be very fun. You know, it's a lot of work, the marathon. The
Yeah.
events are just like there's so much work. And are you going to volunteer? Are you going to like volunteer just the day of, or are you going to help organize the marathon?
Both of them. Like,
Okay.
yeah. We got, sorry to disturb you.
No worries.
Sorry.
No worries.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
that's awesome.
yeah, so I wanna know, like, I also wanna know more about you. So what
Hmm.
is your job? Can you?
Okay, I have my own business in the US. I'm a massage therapist and I work a lot when I'm there. But I came to Spain to be with my partner, and I've been here for 1 year, and it's been hard not working because I've worked my entire life.
Yeah.
But basically, I've just been like doing Cambly, and I
Mm.
think that I might try to continue to do online teaching. I really like
Oh.
it.
Oh
Yeah, I
yeah.
think Cambly is good because it kind of makes me start, and like it gave me an idea if I like to do this or not. And yeah, it seems good. So I might pursue it. I might get like a CELTA or a TEFL certification to teach English online. So
Oh.
yeah, I might do both. But primarily I'm a physiotherapist, basically.
That's cool.
Yeah,
And
it's really great.
you said that you're living in Spain. So can you speak any Spanish?
Um, okay, I have been trying to speak Spanish, yes, but my partner and I speak English, so it's very difficult for me to learn very much. But I can speak more Spanish now than ever before.
Oh, that's cool because
Yes, I took
yeah.
classes. It's really difficult though. Like the difference between Spanish and English um, is very difficult. They have very different rules. Well, there's no rules in English. It's kind of like chaos, right? And then in
Mm,
Spanish, it's like that too. It's like chaos, but in a different way. Like it's really difficult
yeah,
um, for
I think
me. Yeah.
yeah, I think Spanish is a cool language. Like I have watched a movie which is Money Heist. Do you know that? It's in
Oh,
Spanish.
Money Heist.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Money Heist.
Uh-huh.
It's really cool, and when I see the actors speak in Spanish, I think it's
Yeah.
really cool,
It
and
has
it's
a
make
really cool.
yeah,
Mhm.
it's make the movie more interesting.
Yes, I agree with you. So yeah, you're very naturally drawn to Spanish then. Yeah. I mean, it's very common in the United States that there are people that speak Spanish because live so close to Mexico.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh.
yeah. And we learn it in school,
Oh.
but no one really learns it. You know, when you're in class, you just learn the grammar, you don't really learn to speak.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
That's
yeah.
yeah. That's why when I was in my like middle school or high school, I was really bad at English because the teacher just teach me the grammar or the sub the like fill in the blank, something
Yeah.
like that. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was
yeah.
very bad at English, especially my speaking skills.
Yeah. It does not help with the speaking at all. And a lot of people that teach Spanish or teach English in other countries, they don't really
Yeah.
speak English themselves. Like, you know, so it's like they're teaching from a book, and then the
Mm,
education doesn't go over, you know, very well. Well,
yeah.
it was really nice to meet you, and I hope that you know, good luck in all of your business. We would say business endeavors, all of your business ventures. And I hope that you get to stay in Ho Chi Minh City. And it
Oh.
seems Vietnam seems so cool. I would love, like, that would be where I would go if I was
Oh
going to
my
go
god.
to Asia. I would go to Vietnam. I would
Oh
love
my god,
to.
that's so cool. Yeah, so nice
Yeah.
to meet you too. This is a first time, but
Yes.
I feel really fun. Yes, I will have
Yes.
fun.
Okay, good. I'm glad. I'm glad. And yeah, have fun at the marathon, okay? Don't
Okay.
run. Don't run, all right?
Oh my god.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye.